Alright guys, we're back up at this new job here. We got these guys going around, getting all of the walls plumbed in, nice and level, and also finishing a couple of the headers in that closet for the spare bedroom in the front there. That's what Rodrigo's working on. These guys are starting to get top plates on. Freddie's doing that as well. And then we have two guys over here working on this garage. They're about to set up pump jacks on the front, get the front papered. We threw this window in this morning, this back window here, and it's kind of hard to tell, but it is a very nice window, black on the outside and white on the inside. It is a super heavy window. Luckily we had this machine here to lift it up. We had two guys up on extension ladders next to it, two guys inside, and we got it thrown in. We're gonna do the same thing around the front once they get it papered and get the window tape on, but the other window is sitting right here, so it's pretty much ready to go. We just got a pile of plywood right there we'll have to move first, and then we have two windows here, but this window has to be changed. We ordered the windows before the concrete was done, and when the guys did the concrete they had to step it, so you can see here the step in the concrete, which made our framing up higher over on this side. So we ordered identical windows for both sides. Obviously this window has to be a smaller window now, so we'll only be able to get one of them thrown in, and when we get the other window we will get that thrown in, but that's no big deal. At least it is on the first floor and nice and easy to get to. But I'm gonna go help these guys work on the house, and then once they have the front of this garage all papered and window tape on, we'll throw that big window on the second floor in. All right guys, we just finished up lunch and we're getting back to work, making good progress, getting all the top plates in, getting everything plumbed and level. And we also got this upper window in as well. It started raining on us. You can see everything is soaking wet, and it says there's about a 50% chance for the rest of the day, so there might be more rain coming. But as we were scrambling to get out of the rain, these guys were pretty much ready to get this window in, so we all just helped real quick. And I already threw my camera down, so I didn't have time to grab it real quick and get that on video, but that one's in, nailed off. We're about to grab this small one and get this in real quick, and then we're gonna head back over to the house and help the guys that are working over there. You got the window? Yeah.
Yeah. Right, so let's start sending them up with the writing facing up. Alright, we'll do these three, then we'll move to them.
Alright guys, my camera died at some point there. I'm not exactly sure when. I'll figure it out when I edit this video, but we got those 4 LVLs in. Those things are no joke, super heavy. Took about 6 guys to get them up there and nailed in place, but it's a quad LVL with a little notch around the plate right here, all the way across the span of the living room and kitchen area. There's a triple LVL here. These were much easier. These are smaller LVLs as well, so those went a bit easier than the bigger ones in the middle there, but we got them all nailed together. We're just getting cleaned up for the day. We got 3 windows in the garage today, some more Typar or Tyvek around it, and we're in pretty good shape. Tomorrow we'll be back here again, continue working on this, hopefully get all of the second floor beams in and move on up. But that is going to wrap it up for this one. If you guys have any questions or comments, definitely leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys next time. Peace.